In this video, we're going to be showcasing the most important accessory to any Christmas light display: clips. With many types of clips to choose from, it's important that you choose the right clip for the right application. The Multiclip. As the name suggests, the Multiclip can be used in a variety of applications and orientations. This is generally the first clip pro installers go to when deciding how to hang their lights. The Multiclip is specifically designed for gutters, but also easily attaches to shingles, glass awnings, windowsills, you name it, the Multiclip can do it. The Cradle Clip. Cradle clips have been a timeless classic in the Christmas light industry. The clip holds the light bulb socket instead of the wire like the Multiclips. The bulb then sits above the gutter, elevating the bulb above your home, providing a super professional look. The TOF Clip. A superior clip of the lighting industry, the TOF Clip is designed with durable plastics, made to withstand the harshest of conditions. Once attached, the clip stays attached to the light socket, allowing easy installation for the following season. The bulb sits above the gutter much like the cradle clips, and removals are a breeze as the clip stays secured to the socket. No clips left behind. The Magnetic Clip. This clip is really good at one thing and one thing only: saving you time. The magnetic clip sticks to almost any metal surface. Installations are quick, and removals are even quicker. Simply place the clip at the base of each socket and twist. Be sure to test your clips on a surface before applying them to your lights. The Adhesive Clip. For every other type of application, the Adhesive Clip is the way to go. Made with 3M VHB tape, this clip is guaranteed to bond with painted metal, finished wood, and glass. Stainless steel screws can also be used for more permanent installation into wood surfaces. We hope that this cleared up some of the questions that you may have had around Big Star's clips and their applications.